Okay, so today I'm going to do a quick video on the L bracket, and I just bought myself a new Canon R6 Mark II, and one thing I was worried about was the flippy screen. Okay, so as you flip the screen open, if you have a standard L bracket, like we have here, the flippy screen will hit the bracket and you can't turn it all the way. Now I know there's brackets out there that have little cutaways, but I've got a little hack here. So if you have an L bracket that's kind of similar to this, where it has a few little screw holes in the bottom, and basically it just screws on like that. So we have a couple of nuts that we can screw in. L bracket sits like this and it sits nice and flush. Okay, so if you have one of these sorts of L brackets, you're not going to be able to open the flippy screen without it hitting the bracket. Now, you're in luck, because if you have one very similar to this, where it has the two screw holes, so you'll see it's got two screw holes at the bottom. Okay, so it will screw in something like that, and there's your L bracket there. Okay, so as you can see, it sits nice and flush. But what I've done is I've undone the screws. What I'm going to do is just use one of the screws that comes with it. So it'll come with two screws. You can screw the L bracket together using both of the screws. That is the recommended way of doing it. Okay, so what we're going to do is, rather than screw in both of those L brackets together, what I'm going to do is just offset it. So if I offset it and have it just to the side like that, it's going to push the L bracket slightly forward, which is going to give us room to open our flippy screen. I highly recommend screw it in as tight as you can. Okay, so normally you would have two screws, you screw in both of those screws. Hopefully that's focusing. But I've found that if I do it up nice and tight, we can do it so it's slightly offset. So what I'll do is I'll put it together and I'll show you exactly what I mean. And we're just going to put one screw in. Okay, so with your L bracket, just watch that you have it lined up. So what we want to do, rather than have it cover both holes, we're going to just screw one of them in. Okay, by screwing just one of those screws in, it's going to move our L bracket forward. Okay, so just make sure you've got your L bracket the right way. But if we do up one of those screws, so now you'll see that I've only got one screw in there. So hopefully the camera's focusing. And we've left this one. So our L bracket is offset. Okay, so it's actually coming forward. And the trick is, do it up as tight as you possibly can. Some Loctite might be good, but I've found that it grips pretty well. So I am just going to crank this up as tight as I possibly can, get everything nice and square. And I'm just going to lock it in and just tighten that as tight as I possibly can. And that will not move. And I can tell you right now, that is locked on. That is locked on very tight. So until I get a proper L bracket, I have ordered a new L bracket. But in the meantime, this will work. It will work. It is very solid. Just make sure you do it up tight. Okay, so really crank it up nice and tight. And I would just check it every now and then. If I physically cannot turn that at all with that one bracket. The metal has some nice grip on it, so it is gripping. Like I said, you might want to use some Loctite. Loctite will just hold that screw in so it won't unscrew. I'll pop that on my R6. And I'll show you now, we can actually open the flippy screen without worrying about the screen hitting the bracket. Okay, and now just like that, so there's our L bracket, and as you see, it just comes a little bit forward. Okay, if we have a look at it from the top down view, it will come a little bit forward. But now we can flip our screen open and it will turn. Okay, so it doesn't actually hit the bracket. Okay, so a nice little hack. If you're worried about your bracket, you can unscrew them if it allows you to. Okay, so different brackets will work differently, but as you can see now, we can fully open our screen and we can still articulate it without it hitting the bracket on the side. You still have access to your HDMI ports. If you need to get access to any of them, all you need to do is unscrew the bottom a little bit. So if I just loosen that, we can then slide it up, get access to our battery compartment. So I could even put that there. So now I've got access to my battery compartment. Okay, and we've got access to the side panels as well. And it even acts as a nice little grip if you want to do some video recording. Okay, so that's it. That's a nice simple hack to turn your L bracket into a nice L bracket So then we can still use our articulated screen and not have it hit the bracket. As you can see, there's a bit of a gap there. So that's it. Thank you. Woohoo!